Hi everyone, so today we will be making this cute little cat, and this one was actually suggested by some of you in the comments. So there was this one person that sent this comment right over here that said that they want me to do an origami cat. And I thought that would be simple enough to do, so I set out to design it, and believe it or not, I got this in like my first try. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So if you want to fold this, then grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for this model I'm going to start out with a brown sheet of paper. This model is a medium level complexity and it's very similar to the koala that I taught up here. Alright, let's start off in this orientation and let's make a diagonal fold right here. Alright, now let's unfold and repeat in this direction. Alright, now unfold, and now already we're going to do kind of a tricky fold, so we have to fold into thirds diagonal wise. So let's bring this to about where you think a third is, then bring this back, and then you just have to fiddle with the folds until you get something, until you get as close to a third as possible. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Then when you have it, you can just pinch it and then fold all the way across, and then let's repeat on this side. Alright, now we should have that, and now let's reverse fold this up. So bring this point so that it matches that point and that point. And flatten like that. Alright, and now we want to do the same for this flap. So pinch, then bring the points together. And it should flatten like that. Alright, now we want to make a little reverse fold right here. So let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's repeat on this one. And let's repeat what we did here on this side. So now it looks like that. And now let's fold this back. And then so we should have a flap on the back that kind of looks like that. Alright, now let's make mountain folds along here and along here. So let's just pinch right here and here. Some of them may already be made for you, so that's nice. And then do on this side. There, like that. And then now you want to push this that way, and then now open this way and make folds along these lines. Alright, so it looks something like that. And, oh yeah, let's keep it this way. And let's take this point and fold it to that point. Alright, and this is going to be the tail, by the way. And now let's, I'm forgetting this, let's fold it up, and let's make a rabbit ear. I can't find the words today. Right, so there's our rabbit ear, and then now let's make it a bit thinner. So let's take this edge and fold it to this crease, but not all the way, just as long as the tail, just to the length of the tail. And then let's open it up, and let's sink the tail in so that it's a little more skinny. Alright, so it should look like that. And now let's work more on the head. So let's fold along these lines again. Oh yeah, quick note, there will be this little middle flap. Fold that as well. Alright, now we got that, and let's fold it down on these 2 points. So it looks like that, and let's flatten it out like that on both sides. And now let's fold this up just a little bit. And now the problem is you have this kind of unpleasant white part right here. So what we're gonna do is we want to make a little point right here, and then you want to fold from this edge to this point, and also from this edge to that point. So just make a mountain fold here, and a mountain fold here. Then now when you put this down, the unpleasantness should be gone. And now let's take this point and fold it to the middle point. And unfold, and let's unfold this part, and let's mountain fold in like that. And then let's rabbit ear this out. So open here, valley fold, oops, valley fold, and then collapse it down like that. So that is one ear, and we'll repeat on this flap for the other ear. And that's what our face should look like. Alright, now we have kind of a tricky step, but it's not hard, if that makes any sense. But let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And unfold, and now we need to open sync. This is the hard step. It's hard because it's like in the middle of a few layers, but let's just hold it like this, and then push that part inward, like that. It's alright if it's messy, it's totally fine. It's very hard to do this cleanly. I can't do it cleanly. And then let's fold it up, I think. I forgot. I don't know. I think it might be down actually, but yeah. And let's do the same on this one. So fold it up, fold it down, and then the infamous open sync. Sorry, closed sync. And then fold them down like that, I think. Yeah, we fold them down. Okay, I'm second guessing myself. And then now let's put the little tip inside like that. And then do the same here. No reference point, just fold it somewhere so it kind of looks like that. Now we gotta fix his bottom area. Let's pinch here, I think this crease is already made, maybe not, but you just pinch so that the lines match up, and then fold it, and then we just, I think it's called a swivel fold, we just do that. I might fold the arms up a bit because the legs are getting in the way. And then now let's do the same thing that we did for the front legs. We'll put the little flap inside, like that. And then just one more step to make him look more cat-like. Let's get rid of this hump, because it's a little weird. Oh yeah, and then fix his tail to not look like it's standing up on end. Or it could be a scared cat if you want. Alright. Then you can do that. And that's what the cat looks like. You can fold the head to the side, or you could just keep it in the middle. But yeah, we're basically done. I hope you enjoyed folding this, and in the meantime, have fun folding.